Hello everyone. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step process using Tableau to customize and save a data source. Let's get started. First, open the starter file in Tableau. Let's rename LAT and long fields. In the data pane, right-click the LAT field and select rename. Type latitude and press enter. In the data pane, right-click the long field and select rename. Type longitude and press enter. Next, convert the field type and change the default sort order. Drag the category field from the measures area to the dimensions area. Right-click category, point to default properties, and then select sort. In the sort dialog box, select descending. Close the dialog box. Now, set the geographic roles. In the data pane, right-click longitude. Point to geographic role and select longitude. Next, save the customized data source and close Tableau. Open the data menu and point to the data connection you want to save, Hurricane Data, which will have a check mark next to it. Select Add to Saved Data Sources. In the Add to Saved Data Sources dialog box, set the file type to .tds. Make sure with the saved location and click Save. Close Tableau Desktop. Finally, checking the changes done in the saved data. Reopen Tableau. On the Start page, under Saved Data Sources, click Hurricane to open it. Verify that the customizations you saved to the .tds file are present, including the renamed fields and the updated geographic role. Feel free to explore further and create insightful visualizations with your updated data. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy analyzing!